MRG channel. I am your mother Rudra Ganesh. Today I am going to tell you class 9 maths polynomials. Okay friends, this class 9 polynomials is so important friends, so please listen this and subscribe our channel. So see here friends, here we should learn these basics of this polynomials is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Okay friends, so see here friends, this monomial we have only one term. So what is term? See here friends, the term means a number and a variable when they are together, it is called as term. A constant and variable when they are together, it is called as term. Okay friends, so this is constant and this is variable. Yes friends, so when they both are together, it's called as term. Okay friends, it's called as term. So when there is only single term, it is called as monomial. When there is two terms, if phi there is also, phi is also a two term. So phi is also a term without any variable. Okay friends, so 2x and phi also a terms. Two terms there means it is called as binomial. And if there is three terms means it is called as trinomial. If more than three terms is there are, it is called as polynomial. Okay friends, so when there is more than three terms means it is called as polynomial. I think you understood. Now see here friends, the polynomial means the chain of terms. See friends, the chain of terms. See here friends, if we have four terms, 3x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 6. So this is an polynomial. Yes friends, so here we have four terms, means it is an chain of terms because they are four are together with the plus symbol. Yes friends, so it is a chain of terms, so it is called as an polynomial. So I think you have understood what is terms and polynomials. Okay friends, so this is you should learn again and again because these are the basics in this polynomials lesson. Okay friends, now I will tell you other topic. Okay friends, now I will tell you the another topic in this introduction of polynomials is highest degree of polynomial. So what is degree? The degree means it's like a power. See here friends, 2, 2, 3. So this 3 is an degree of its term. Okay friends, so this 3 is an degree of this 2. I think you have understood what is degree. It is same as like power. The same as like power friends. Okay, so now in this degrees we have so many types of degrees. If we have, see here friends, if we have only one as degree, if we don't write here degree means it is as 1. Okay friends, so if 1 is as degree of this term means it is called as linear polynomial. Okay friends, linear polynomial. When in an polynomial, the first term where it is has a 1 degree means it is called as linear polynomial. That polynomial is called as linear polynomial. Okay friends, and now if we have 4 square, so 2 is degree of this 4. Yes friends, 2 is degree of this 4. Now what is it is called? It is called as quadratic polynomial. Yes friends, quadratic polynomial. So these all degree terms should be first in the polynomial. Then only we can name it as linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial. Now if we have 5 cube, sorry friends, 5 cube. So 3 degree is the 5. Yes friends, so it is called as cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. I think you have understood friends what is degree of the polynomial. So in this linear polynomial, the highest degree is 1. In quadratic, 2 is the highest, and in cubic polynomial is 3. So these are the main. So these degrees terms should be first in these polynomials. Okay friends, I think you have understood. Okay. And so please subscribe my channel and like and share this video to your friends and family, and please support us, and please follow our MRT Studies for our Facebook page. The link will be in description, and bye.